Hey guys, how y'all doing? How's your day going? I'm just starting. How's your night? Hope you had or having an amazing and a beautiful night for us. So today is our ninth day, which means this is the second to the last day in this Python Crash Code series. And today we're going to be building a very simple project, which is rock, paper, and scissors. This project is going to force you to make use of every single thing in control flow. You're going to implement lists, and there's also going to be working with random. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing we want to do is receive an input from the user. All right. Now we want to have let's call a list up here. So this is going to be a list that is going to hold we'll have rock, we'll have paper, and we'll have scissors. Now, once we receive the user's input, we want to first of all remove any white spaces. If you remember how to remove white spaces, we did strip. We want to make it lowercase just in case the user input it in a weird manner, so that it would, because if any single letter is in a different form, it's going to output differently. So, like Python is case sensitive. Now I want to generate the choice for the computer because we're assuming the user is playing against the computer. So in order to do this, we're going to have to import something, a module called random. And computer is going to be equals to random. So you see, we have made use of list, we have made use of inputs, we have made use of modules, we have made use of string formatting. So we're going to call random the choice, because that is the choice function we want to call inside the random module. So it's going to pick a random choice, and the random choice is going to be gotten um from this a over here, this module here we created. So let me just get rid of this. So now the computer's choice has been chosen at random. Now we're done generating the basic syntax of the game. We can now get into working on the control flow. So we're going to create if we want to check if the user is equal to, so the first one is if user is equal to um rock. Let's ask again, if else if, says elif is equals to paper, and we'll check again if user is equal to, and finally we're going to pass one that if the user's input is not present. So we could have made use of like a try and accept and raised an error if the user's input was not correct, but I just want to do something that's a bit straightforward. So also just going to print um input error. All right, so if user is rock, so now I want to check um for the computer. So if now it's going to be if computer So this is what we're going to use to test the conditions of the game. Let's just pass. So if you have rock and rock, it's going to be, if you have rock and paper, we're going to print you lose. And if we have rock and scissors, it's going to be, so now we can just copy this. I'm just going to place the syntax into all our other games from here. So if it's paper and rock, if it's paper and paper, so now if we save it and we run it, so basically we've already created the program. Very, very simple, very, very straightforward. So what is your play? Let's go for rock. So let me make them print out what the computer chose so we can see what we're playing against. Alright, so if you would like the source code for this project, is available on my GitHub. I will link every single thing in the description below. But I'll see you all here tomorrow for the final and last day of this series. Thank you all for watching. Bye.